Mga preng, have you ever felt something weird sa motor mo pero hindi ma-explain kung ano? Hindi siya tunog sira, hindi rin siya normal feelings. Pero ramdam mo, may something iba. At ang tanong, normal ba to? O unti-unti ka nang tinatrydor ng motor mo? Today pag-uusapan natin ang mga tanong ng riders na bihirang sagutin mga preng. Every rider has experienced this at least once. Bigla kang napapaisip habang nagra-ride, parang iba yung hatak Bakit parang may vibration? Ganito ba talaga to dati? And here's the scary part mga preng, hindi lahat ng sira maingay. Minsan, feeling lang siya. Pero ang problema, kapag binaliwala mo yung feeling na yun, doon nagsisimula ang aksidente. Feeling number 1, parang humina ang hatak. This is the most common questions riders ask. Here's the truth mga preng, hindi laging sira kapag humihina ang hatak. Possible reason, pagod ka lang, sanay ka sa power, nagbago ang riding style mo, or simply dirty throttle body. But here's the warning mga preng, kapag sabay humina ang hatak at lumakas ang konsumo ng gas, that's not imagination anymore. Feeling number 2, may vibration na dati wala. Listen carefully mga preng. All motorcycles vibrate. The danger starts when vibration changes pattern. Vibration occur only at certain speed and vibration feels uneven. Your hands and feet feel it before your ears hear it. Feeling number 3 mga preng, parang ayaw na niyang umarangkada. This one trick a lot of riders. Akala nila makina agad ang sira, but sometimes it just clutch adjustment. The worst, clutch slip that you're ignoring. And if you ignore this too long, you're not damaging speed, you're damaging safety. Feeling number 4, may tunog pero hindi consistent. Here's a rule. Ramdam sound is more dangerous than loud sound mga preng. Why? Because ramdam means something is loose, shifting, or about to fail. Feeling number 5, parang hindi na stable sa straight road. This one is scary mga preng. If your motor drifts slightly, need constant correction, feels nervous at speed, that's not normal behavior. That's alignment, tire, or bearing talking to you. Mga preng, while riding right now, ask yourself these questions. Normal kung consistent ang feeling, predictable ang response, nawawala after warm up. Pero mga preng, delikado yan kung biglang nagbabago, lumalala every ride, may kasamang kaba sa dibdib mo. Your instinct is not paranoia, it's data. So mga preng, every rider should have this mental checklist. Ask yourself, when did this start? Did I change something? Is it speed related? Is it load related? Does it disappear or stay? If you can't answer this, don't panic. Observe, because riders who observe rarely crash due to mechanical failure. Mga preng, your motorcycle speak not with words but with feelings. And the best riders, they don't ignore feelings. They decode them. If this video answered a questions you never knew how to ask, you're not alone mga preng. Comment what words, feelings you're experiencing right now. Subscribe if you want more rider questions that nobody talks about. Ride safe and ride aware.